Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 11, the present tense. So what is a tense? Tense is the verb form which indicate the time of an action. So tense tells us about the time when the action is being done, when the work is being done, when it tells us the time, that is known as tense. Here three types of tenses are shown. I pray daily. It is a present tense. I prayed yesterday. It is a past tense. I will pray tomorrow. It is future tense. So mainly tense are of three different kinds, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. Now we will come to present tense. In this chapter we will learn about present tense. So this chapter consists of each and every part of the present tense. So present tense may refer to an action or event that is ongoing or that take place at the present moment. This tense is of four kinds. So present tense tells us about the action or event which is happening at the present time, which is happening just now, like Ram is playing. So this example is present tense because the action is being done now. So this present tense is of four different kinds: simple present, past continuous tense, simple present, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So present tense are mainly of four different kinds which are given. So now we will read it elaborately. The simple present tense. The simple present tense is used for indicating when or how often the action takes place, whether it happens regularly, often or sometimes. So simple present tense tells us when or how the action is being done and whether the action is happening regularly or often or sometimes. So the example of simple present tense are given. Rohan eats an apple daily. We exercise daily. I like playing badminton. Sumit never tells a lie. So these are the example of simple present tense because the verb is in V1 form. Whenever the verb is in V1 form, it is simple present tense. Now we will read the uses of simple present tense. When and how to use simple present tense. Number 1, to express an action which takes place at the present times. So to express any kind of action which happen just at the present time, like I see a rainbow in the sky. Number 2, to express a general truth. So simple present tense is used to express any truth which can't be lied, like fortune favors the brave. This is a general truth, it can't be denied. So whenever we will see any general truth, we will write it as simple present tense. Number 3, to express a habitual action, custom, routine or habit. So whenever the action is habituated or it is a routine, we will use simple present tense. Example, I go for a walk every morning. So it is a routine. So simple present tense will be used. To express a fact that is true at the time of speaking. So to express the fact when we are speaking, that time is true. She goes to a dance class once a week. To show a future event which is already arranged. So to ensure any kind of future activity which is already managed, which is already arranged, like we leave for Agra on Monday. This is a future event which has already been arranged. Number 6, in exclamatory sentences that begin with here or there and expresses an action that is currently happening. So here comes the winning team. So here comes is the verb and it is in V1 form. So it is simple present tense. To give order or make request. Whenever we are ordering something or making request, simple present tense is used. Number 8, in headlines in the newspaper. So whenever a headline is being written in a newspaper, it is always written in simple present tense. See the example how to form a sentence in simple present tense. subject plus verb plus s or es plus object or complement. So whenever we will form any simple present tense sentence, we will first write the subject. See in this sentence, the prime minister, this is the subject. Verb, addresses, verb is addresses, here esb is being added. The children on teachers day, here object is the children and complement is on teachers day. So this is the example, this is the formation to show how we can form a sentence in simple present tense. Now negative sentence in simple present tense. How we will form negative sentence in simple present tense? Here are some examples. Poonam does not like cooking. We do not eat junk food. They do not play cricket. Here does not, do not is written. So this is this all sentences are negative sentence. So to form negative sentence in simple present tense, do not or does not is added before the verb depending upon the subject. So to form negative sentence in simple present tense, we just have to add do not or does not according to the subject, and the do not and does not should be added just before the verb. For example, for pronouns I, you, we, they or plural nouns, do not is added. So for pronouns I, you, we, they or plural nouns, do not is added. And for pronoun he, she, it and singular noun, does not is added. So from here it is clear that where to add do not and where to add does not. So to form negative sentence in simple present tense, we just have to write first the subject, then do or does not plus verb plus object. Interrogative sentence in simple present tense. How to write interrogative sentence in simple present tense? See the example, do you take bath daily? Does she read books? Do they study here? To form interrogative sentence in simple present tense, do is added with pronoun I, you, we, they and plural noun, and does is added to he, she, it and singular noun. Same goes whatever we have read in negative sentence, same goes in the interrogative sentence also, where to add do and where to add does. So the formation, how to form interrogative sentence in simple present tense, the formation is given. This is the formation: do or does plus subject plus verb plus object slash complement, and the question mark should be there. So this is the formation, how to form a interrogative sentence in simple present tense. Now we will come to the present continuous tense. So the second form of tense is present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used for talking about action or thing that are going on or happening at the present time. So those actions or things that are going at the present time, that which are happening at the present time, is known as present continuous tense. Like girls are writing letter, I am going to the market, Pooja is sleeping in her room. These are the examples of present continuous tense. Uses of present continuous tense. What are the uses? To express an action that is going on the time of speaking. Example, the girl are learning Kathak. Number 2 use is to express an action expected to take place in the immediate future. So whatever action is going to take place in the future is the sentence where we will use present continuous tense form. Number 3 is to express an action taking place at the time but not necessary at the time of speaking. So the third point says that we whenever the action, we will use present continuous tense at the time when we express an action which is taking place at the present time, but it is not necessary that it will also take place at the time of speaking. Like they are constructing an office complex here. So the formation of present continuous tense is subject plus is am are plus present participle, means V1 plus ing plus object or complement. See, we see the example Pooja. It is subject, is sleeping, is plus verb plus ing. In her room, this is the object. So the formation of present continuous tense is just like this: subject plus is am are plus present participle V1 plus ing plus object and complement. So students, today we have done up to present continuous tense. In our next video we will continue with the same chapter. So go through the chapter up to taught. That's all for today. Thank you.